Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Samsung Notes from your old phone to your new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Notes application on this phone. I'm gonna go to the Samsung apps right here, and this is my Samsung Notes, and I'm going to launch this application. Okay, and we can choose the notes we want to send to our new phone. You can choose the notes you want to send right here. You can tap and hold on the note you want to send, and if you want to send all of your notes, you can click on all right here, and then all your Samsung notes will be selected and you will be able to share it. But before you share it to your new phone, I recommend you to unlock your notes if you have locked notes on your Samsung Galaxy Note, because we can only share the unlocked notes. So before it, you just need to tap and hold on it, and then you can unlock the note by clicking on this unlock option. And I'm just going to choose the unlocked notes from here, guys. I'm gonna select this one and also this one. Okay, wait, I'm still selecting my unlocked notes. Wait, okay. And once you're ready to share it or transfer it, we can click on share. All right, and here we'll have some options, guys. We can share note as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, and Word file, PowerPoint file, image file, and also the text file right here. And I recommend you to select the Samsung Notes file, so you will be able to open the notes on your Samsung Galaxy Notes in your new phone. And here you can choose the method you want to transfer your Samsung Galaxy Notes. And I'm gonna choose the quick share because this is the fastest way to transfer the Samsung Galaxy Notes to our new phone. Okay, and we need to turn on our Bluetooth to share with quick share. And you need to activate the quick share on your new phone as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes to new phone from old phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!